How to crossplay Need for Speed Heat. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, you're going to learn how to enable and use crossplay in Need for Speed Heat, so you can play with your friends no matter if they're on PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your game is updated. First thing first, make sure your game is up to date. Crossplay was added in a patch, so if you're not running the latest version, it won't show up. Step 2. Launch the game and go to the online settings. Open Need for Speed Heat, go to the pause menu, then select Online Settings. Look for the option that says Crossplay and make sure it's turned on. Once it's active, a message will pop up letting you know that cross-platform play is enabled. Step 3. Add your friends. Now it's time to add your friends. From the main menu or pause screen, go to the Friends tab. Choose Find EA Friends and type in your friends' EA ID. When you find them, send a request, and once they accept, you'll see them on your list. Step 4. Start playing together. To play together, just invite them to your party from the friends list. You can now cruise the open world or racing events together, even on different platforms. Bonus tip: you need an EA account and console subscriptions. Just a quick reminder, you need an EA account connected to your platform and on consoles. You will also need PlayStation Plus or Xbox Game Pass to play online. And that's it. This was a tutorial on how to crossplay in Need for Speed Heat. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.